Okay, Rodger. Now, I'm on you right now. But we have something sitting here, down here, over here in the mud, and I'm gonna pan on down, and you go tell me what the heck this. I mean, I know what it is, but few people watching will probably know what this is. This is a Avro Vulcan.
Yep.
How in the world did you make this thing?
There's a kid on the 3D printed site.
Yeah.
14 years old, designed it,
Yes.
drew it up.
Yeah.
And they sell the STL files.
And it's a Delta. You got your Elevon mixing in and everything.
Yeah.
How is this thing powered?
A little 50 millimeter FMS fan on 3 cells.
What? Oh my God. Oh wow. All right.
I was like full right.
All right. So we have Brent flying Rodger, his dad's 3D printed Avro Vulcan. This thing's super cool. The entire plane is 3D printed. It's flying on a little FMS 50 millimeter fan. Look at that. Flying pretty good. There's your Avro Vulcan.
Yeah. Vulcan roll.
It actually goes like it's got decent power.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Hey, so this is a 50 millimeter fan.
50 millimeter, 11 blade.
11 blade 3S 2200?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's this fucking work?
Because inquiring minds will want to know. Holy moly, dude.
You'll have to post this in the 3D thread.
Okay, you got it.
Pretty bad, man. I mean, for a quad exhaust, that's impressive.
I can't even. Okay, where are you? There you are. Okay.
Looks, man.
Wow.
It's pretty sweet, actually. Beneath the rudder, though, that really steers the there's no rudder. That's why you can't steer it when you start to lose nose drops and it's like all over.
Yeah, sorry for.
Actually, what you should do is put a little bend in the nose struts so it has more leverage. Yeah, I think it'll get more steering authority out of it that way versus just a.
Yeah. So not only is the cameraman having a hard time finding this thing, but the camera having a little hard time on it too because it's so slender, and gray.
Me too. When I see the guys working on it, they slow.
Oh, where is it? Oh, it's way up there. Okay.
Landing! Slides forever. That's what the video show.
Yeah, I cut on the downwind leg. It's a little bit nose
Sweet. Sweet. So Rodger Hecht, 3 completely 3D printed Avro Vulcan, flown by his son Brent. Hey, yeah. Look at this thing.
Nose heavy?
Oh my gosh. Wow. Completely 3D printed. Then what you do, Rodger, you just look at that. Look at the luminance. Wow. When you hold it like that,
Yeah.
you can see how it's
This
hollow.
is
Yeah.
This one's great.
Yeah. Wow. Very cool. All right, Rabbit Dry Lake. And we've had some snow out here in the desert recently. You can see all the mountains there in the distance. Today this is the New Year's Eve gathering at Rabbit Dry Lake. Gathering of eagles. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. All the best from Just Wing It. Cheers, everyone.